Welcome to this technical guide on the ASUS ROG G513. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your ASUS ROG G513 won't turn on, you're not alone. This can happen for a variety of reasons, such as a faulty battery, a malfunctioning power button, or an internal component failure. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further damage, making repairs more complex and costly. To get started with the repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement battery if necessary. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover, starting at the edges to avoid damaging the clips. Once the cover is removed, locate the battery. It's typically secured by several screws, which you will need to unscrew carefully. Be mindful of the type of screws used, they are often a mix of Phillips and Torx, so keep track of them. Disconnect the battery connector by gently pulling it away from the motherboard using your fingers or the plastic tool. At this point, inspect the power button and other connections for any visible damage. If you notice any issues, replacing the faulty component may be necessary. If you have a new battery, align it with the connector and press firmly to secure it. Reattach any screws you removed, ensuring not to over-tighten them as this may damage the device. Carefully replace the back cover, pressing down until you hear it click into place. Before testing, double-check that all connections are secure and that no tools or materials are left inside the device. Now, plug your ASUS ROG G513 back in and press the power button to see if it turns on. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from happening again, ensure that your device is kept in a safe environment, regularly check for software updates, and consider using a surge protector to protect against power surges. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.